If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us. Welcome to lesson number 24. Letters V, X, Z, word, that. Hello. First, let's listen for words that have the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Do the words yes and yet start with the same beginning sound? Yes, they do. Good job. Let's practice some rhyming. Let's listen for words that end with the same sounds. That means that they rhyme. Listen to these words: jog and log. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Good work. Now, let's listen for syllables in words. How many syllables do you hear in the word yesterday? Tap the syllables out on your fingers. Yes, the word yesterday has 3 syllables. Great work. Now, it's time to practice our letters and sounds. First, let's review our letters from earlier lessons. Please say the name of the letter. Q and U. Great job! What sound do the letters Q and U make?
Quoi?
Good job! Say the name of this letter. Y. Great job! What sound does the letter Y make?
E.
Good job! Say the name of this letter. W. Great job! What sound does the letter W make?
W.
Great work! Now, let's learn our new letters for today. This is the letter V. These are the uppercase and lowercase v letters. This is the letter X. These are the uppercase and lowercase x letters. This is the letter Z. These are the uppercase and lowercase z letters. V makes this sound.
V.
Listen for this sound in the word van. Van. X makes this sound.
X.
Listen for this sound in the word X-ray. X-ray. Z makes this sound. Listen for this sound in the word zebra. Zebra. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go.
E.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good work. Now let's listen to another sound and write the matching letter on the palm of our hand with our finger.
W.
Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Good job. Now let's listen to the sound and write the matching letter in the air with our finger. Ready? Here we go. Please make sure that you wrote your letter like this. Now, let's practice reading words that we have already learned. But. Up. She. He. Now, let's learn a new heart word. Remember that a heart word is a word that does not follow our sound rules. Here is our heart word for today. That. Let's use the word in a sentence. I want that toy. Let's listen to the sounds in the word. The first sound in the word is made by the letters T and H. We will learn this in a later lesson. The next two sounds follow sound rules and are made by letters that we have learned. Let's read the word one more time. That. Let's read more words. Fan, yet, bet, you, zip, yes. Great job! Let's read some sentences. The pig digs in the mud. Sam got a big red hat. Max had fun on his run in the sun. Wow, you are becoming a great reader. Great work today. We hope to see you soon for our next lesson. If you like our free reading lessons, please support us. Subscribe for free and like us.